In today's lesson, we are going to continue with the conditionals topic. This time, the second conditional, what to do and what not to do. So I'm excited. Let's get started. All right, so what is the second conditional and when do we use it? We use the second conditional to express something that is unrealistic, something that didn't happen, isn't happening, and most likely won't happen. We also use the conditional to express possible plans or suggestions. Also, we can describe an impossible or incorrect situation in the present tense. Now, the time expressions we use are at the moment and now. Let's have a look at the form, shall we? The first part of the sentence, if, will appear in the past simple, and the second part, the result, comes in the future past using would. It is very important to remember that in the conditional part verb, the verb to be will come always as were instead of was. I'll give you an example. If I were a rich man, I would buy the whole world. Number 2. If you taught me, I would know how to solve the problem. Now here is a negative conditional example. If I didn't want you to come, I would tell you so. Now let's have a look at a negative result. If I were you, I wouldn't say such terrible things. Now here's something to remember. Pay attention. You can always replace the verb plus would with all of the modals in the past form, such as could, might, etc. And one more thing to remember. When using the word unless, the sentence will appear in a positive form. But when we use suppose instead of it, the result part will appear in a question. For example, suppose we were beautiful. Would you enter a beauty contest? Here are some more examples. Sentence number 1. If I were you, I would get a new job. Number 2. If he were younger, he would travel more. Number 3. If we weren't friends, I would be angry with you. Number 4. If I had enough money, I would buy a big house. Number 5. If she weren't always so late, she would be promoted. Pay attention, you. Number 6. If we won the lottery, we would travel the world. Oh yeah. Number 7. If you had a better job, we would be able to buy a new car. Number 8. If I spoke perfect English, I would have a good job. Number 9. If we lived in Mexico, I would speak Spanish. Came out Italian. Number 10. If she passed the exam, she would be able to enter university. Okay, now you try. Put the verb into the correct tense to make the second conditional. The answers will be waiting for you in the description box as always. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. She blank be happier if she blank have more friends. We blank buy a house if we decide to stay here. They have more money if they not or buy so many clothes. Okay, easy. That's it, guys. Don't forget to check your answers in the description box below the video and let me know if you still have difficulties with the conditionals. I highly recommend that you keep this video in your playlist, and of course, if you like my videos, give us a thumb up. And that's it. Till next time, see you. Bye bye.